This is men's cricket versus women's cricket. That's a 6. Oh, he caught it. No, he didn't catch it. He was close though.
He might well have saved a 6 and got him out.
Wait, he was out?
Now have a look at this. He's inside the rope. He's inside the rope. He knows he's tumbling back over the rope, so he gets rid of it there.
Oh
Brilliant.
my goodness. Bro.
Now, just, yes. That's
Bro.
unbelievable.
Bro. Bro. She did the same thing. Even better. Sister. Sister. Sister, what the heck? They should get married. That makes no sense. Wow. Bro, cricket is very entertaining.